We're going to use the SoRight on the wall to get into our rotator cuff. This can be a nice progression from the floor. So starting up here, this is going to be less aggressive than the one on the floor, but you're just putting it right back, right there in that. You find that blade, and it's just right on the inside of that. And that's where we're going to explore this whole little area right here. Now you feel that blade right there. If we go now more inward towards our shoulder, now we're getting in more to the mid part of our back. There's a bunch of muscles in there. But if we focus on this blade and come forward towards the armpit, now we're going to be focusing more on that rotator cuff stuff. So we're going to start with this guy right up against the wall. Make sure the feet are clean, and then find that blade, and then just go right on towards the armpit, and then just do some rotational movements at different angles of where we're at right here. Find a spot, rotate. Find a spot, rotate. Find a spot, rotate. Rotate. And explore all these different positions to find what position you need to stay in. And I can rotate my body. So now I'm laying on my side, and I'm doing some movements here. Now, right here for me, as I shift my body here and I'm doing these rotationals here, I feel more of a sensation, discomfort. Still not crazy bad, but I can really feel like I'm getting more into that area by just doing this basic little rotation here. And that can also change how much weight I can put on it as well. Now I'm more straight on with the SoRight, and I can push my body into it more. Where this is, it's a little bit harder to push. I still can, but it's a different angle. So I got to explore these positions and rotate and moving around to help clean up anything that's going on in that rotator cuff. Very effective. Don't forget to do the one that's getting into your armpit. It's a rotator cuff that people neglect a lot. Could be causing a lot of your issues. So make sure you hit all the muscles around the shoulder to help that shoulder feel good.